Good morning. Good morning, everybody. We are live. It is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Cocabella, good morning. First one in the chat. Crypto Calls, Nathan Ramirez, Ray Sports, R5 Studios, good morning. Black Coffee in the house, good morning. JB, Dean Bishop, Jake Dell, Sam Owen, good morning. All right, everybody, let's do this. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Let's go. We had a pretty uneventful trading session in the overnight, but man, what a crazy morning. We went from the 600s. We have sold off almost 400 points. So, very could be interesting. This should be interesting this morning. I mean, if we look at the 4-hour chart, we do have some support here that we're coming down into, but we actually, I don't know, it's going to be an interesting day, I feel like. Daily chart looks like this. This is a concerning daily chart. Could be in for a bigger pullback. I do not know. But we're going to be careful. I don't know. I don't really try to be careful. I've not been trading the best. Overnight session was fine. We locked in a payout. These Tradeify accounts, we will be submitting a payout tonight at midnight. Actually, we'll probably do it tomorrow morning. And then these accounts here, these 5 Apex accounts, we can submit for a payout on those accounts. I'm not sure how much I'm going to request. Take profit trader accounts, we got 1,460 in profit. We got this profit this morning. I can't show it because it's arithmetic connections, but we did that on the news this morning. So now we need to take it slow and steady to get the next 4 days, get it across that threshold. But it should be an interesting open here. I was actually really lucky on those take profit trader accounts. The way I usually play the news is I do a buy stop and a sell stop order above and below. Like right here, I put a buy stop order right here at the 457s on 3 contracts and a sell stop order below the lows. And I got filled and I hit my target like right here at the 498 500. So I feel pretty fortunate we got that locked in. Yeah. Sam Owen, Jake Dell, good morning. Jim Miniger, Ian Connor, David St. Armor, Jagraj, Scalping with Tom, Matthew, Danteloy Dan, Rippin' and Dippin', Sebastian, Steve, JQ3000, Traitorous Chick in the house, good morning. Design Knob, hurry, DCA. Good morning, Design Knob. Fred Yeager, Clyde, good morning. All right, we are open for business. I mean, let's see what happens here. This is just, we are at an interesting level here. 220s. If the 220s don't hold, I don't know, man. This thing really could sell off today. I'm very, very wary. Yesterday afternoon, it looked like yesterday afternoon, it kind of looked like, oh, okay, we're going to make a rip higher. No, sorry, right here. We dipped lower, tested the 480s, and then we ripped all the way up to the 680s. And then ever since that 680s, we just never really did retry. Couldn't get above that 700. That 600 level was hard to get through. Here we go, 230s, making new lows. Just don't really... I mean, you could take a stab at this long if you Or feeling frisky. I am not. I don't know, man. Hey, good morning, John. Amelia Stitcher, good morning. How we doing? The Entertainer. Let's go. Infinite Universe. Okay, news is at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. We have, what is the news today? So 9:45 Chicago PMI. That won't move the market that much. 10 o'clock news, PCE, core PCE. And then we have also pending home sales. That might move the market. That might move the market. Then we have Trump speaking at 8 p.m. That should be fun. Then tomorrow we have unemployment claims, ISM manufacturing. And then Friday we've got non-farm employment change and unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. Interesting. Should be fun, fellas. Let's wrap in. All right, let's see if we get a bounce here. I'm going to be, I am done trading, just FYI. So we're done trading these Apex accounts. We're not going to mess with these anymore today. We have a payout locked in on these 5 accounts. I'm still not sure how much I'm going to request. I might do 1,000 per account, maybe. I don't know. I really don't. We're going to trade these accounts. These first set of 150K accounts, 5 of them. We're going to trade those first, and then hopefully we'll get to today. Hopefully we can trade these 50K accounts as well at some point. I'm actually really curious, the Tradeify accounts. I'm actually really curious to see what that is, what's going to happen. So I'm going to request my 5th. Let me actually look at something. I want to look at something. Does Tradeify make it mandatory that I have to go live on the 5th payout? Or is that just a maybe? All right, we're trying to break to the upside. Looks like this 230 held. Now trying to break through. Trying to break through the 300s. All right, are we going to get through the 300s? It's a maybe. They will see how you are trading supposedly and then decide. Or that's what they said earlier. Who knows what they decide now that they do have live traders. Okay. I was trying to look like, I mean, I don't mind at all if I just stay where I'm at. I also don't really care if I get moved to live, I guess. It is what it is. What I'm more curious about is, do they allow you to take out a certain amount depending on if you move live? Can I have an option to take out more? If that's the case, then let's see. And down we go again. Wow. All right, I'm just gonna read through these rules. Profit is calculated and determined upon account reconciliation. So payout tiers or no after the fourth remain capped at the same level as the okay. Tradify reserves the right to move you to a live funded account at any time after a successful payout. Tradify will contact you via email regarding this decision. It sounds like it's just an option, so all right, I don't mind that at all. I don't mind. Wow, look at this. We're just right now in this range from the 300s to the 240s. I mean, if I'm a betting man, I think we are going to make new lows here. $235s. Let's see if this, there she goes. 220s. I think the 220s are going to be very important here. If we don't hold, and again, if we look at the 30-minute chart, like right here, this is very interesting level right here. If this does not hold, then we've got next area is the 100s. But remember, we have a gap fill all the way down here at the 18,500s. If we're interested in that. Pretty massive gap fill there. So I don't know. I got a feeling today's going to be an interesting day. But right now, I got to stay short bias, or I got to look for short trades only. I'm not going to trade. I am not going to trade until after the news, though. But there she goes, down below the 220s. Wow. Be crazy, man. Queek Gaming, good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Ace Undercover, Kiss Me, I Cooked. Good morning. You're only allowed to take out a max of 100K. Oh, really? Kiss Me, I Cooked. Oh, I see. You have to forfeit. Oh, you mean if you're in, unless you're in the live account. Copy. Huh. Oh, wait. Yeah, please remember that the maximum amount a trader can generate in combined simulated funded payouts and the live transition is 100,000. If the trader's balance is above this, the balance carried forward is still capped at 100,000. Okay, example 1. Trader has a 150K account with a balance of 164,000 and take a $3,000 payout on their fourth withdrawal. Your remaining balance is 11. So 10% is carried forward to live. Is fine for me. That's not going to be an issue on my end. Man, some of the I'm trying to read through some of this. It's very confusing. Okay, 180s down below the 200s now. Wow. So it says your account balance at the time of your fourth payout request. Huh. Wow, look at this, guys. Woo! We are just absolutely tanking right now. From the 300s down to the 150s. Just straight down. Oh, man. Let's see what happens. Obviously, the 100s is kind of the next level that I think we have maybe some support, but wow, this is very bearish. We have news coming out at 9:45. I don't think the news at 9:45 is going to do much. Oh, man. Is there any inactivity issue with Apex? No, you can have, there's no inactivities with that. 10% or what you have left in there, whatever is less. So right now I have my balance on my 3 Tradeify accounts is 9,000 each. I'm going to request 3,500. So after I'm done requesting 3,500, I'll have 5,500 remaining. So 5,500 times 3 would be about 16,000. So is that what would be transitioned to one live account then, if I understand right? Wow, look at this thing go. Big sell-off. Big sell-off. So they could move you to live with 16K. Okay, that makes sense. Gives me a, yep, that's kind of what I thought. I used to deliver boats full time, but not so much anymore. I only do now when the money's good. I see. Make 1K more and then take out 3.5, maybe, for all. I mean, I'm just gonna take out now. I just no need to. I don't think it's necessary. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna take out my 3,500 each, and then I'm just gonna wait. If I don't get an email to get moved to live, I'm gonna just keep trading. I'm gonna keep trading them like normal. So, well, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna say anything. Trader is 5,150. But what I'm curious is like, okay, so they said an accumulated payout of 100,000, which I will be after this payout. I will be at what will I be at? I'll be at 50. I'll be at 53,000 in payouts with Tradeify after this request. So I still got plenty of wiggle room. Did Trump tweet? No, it's just a sell-off, I think. He just selling off, man. He wants to go lower. I don't even know what's causing this sell-off. Did someone did the numbers on 8:30 I assume weren't great? I just assume. Max it out and take the 45K. I mean, I'll gladly do that if they let me. I will gladly do that. Okay, the numbers were horrible. GDP was horrible. I see. Trump tweeted he disowned the market. Economic slowdown. Oh, wah wah. Numbers were bad this morning. Inflation going up, GDP getting smashed. I'm personally aiming for 15K in 5 accounts, but it's tough, especially since I'm not doing great these past couple of months. Yeah, Sorrel, I mean, it's okay. Just take it slow. Take it slow. Man, this is tempting, and I mean, the news is still 15 minutes from now. I wasn't gonna take a trade until after that, but man, it's tempting me here. We get a move back up into like the 220s, and this sets up for a short. I am probably gonna take it. Unless we are like right at the news by that time. Three. Make me, yeah, I gotta double check. Make sure I'm actually eligible for a payout on Apex tonight. They need to, Apex really needs to update their dashboard. Seeing what some of these other prop firms dashboards look like. Apex is due. Apex is due for a dashboard update. Make things a little easier, so I don't have to manually count. Yeah, we are officially, yes. We have payouts secured on these 5 accounts. I am so on the fence still. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why there's this little small voice in my head. There's this small voice in my head that is telling me just take out the max on these Apex accounts. I don't know why, but I'm not gonna do it. I would rather, I don't know. You know how fun it would be? What would be the buffer if you take out the max, Amelia? 0. I'm on this so Amelia, these 5 Apex accounts, I'm ready to request my 6th payout. So I can literally withdraw everything. Basically, I can withdraw 5,123.04. Whatever the amount is right here, I could technically take out. So I don't know. I'm not going to do it just because I would rather not do it, even if I lose the accounts, as I'm okay with it. Like, I just need to, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I go back and forth, to be honest. That's like $25,000 basically. It is a lot of money. Not like we don't have any other accounts. We could just basically take out the max on these 5 and then focus on these 5 and these 5 and these 5. Try to get these to the payout land. But here's the thing. I mean, this is like the ultimate goal, is getting to your 6th payout and then just taking out payouts every 8 days. And I'm like, why would I want to ruin that? Doesn't make any sense. Why not just continue to slow and steady and just take out, like tonight, I could take out 1,500 per account. If I take out 1,500 per account next 10 days or next 8 days, 8 traded days, and I average $200 a day, then I can take out again. And like I can just continue. Like kind of dumb not to. Like it's like basically where you want to get to. The other thing I've thought about, and this is the dangerous side of it, but and all right, I'm sorry. I'm going to take uh-oh. Where's my ATM? I mean, if we get stopped out here, I'm okay with it. But this is just too good not to take. Famous last words. But the other thing that we could do that I've been contemplating is, take out a payout now, maybe $1,000 per account, but then actually try to scale up a little bit and look for, instead of $200 days, maybe look for $500 to $600 days. And, just because obviously the more we build up the accounts, you could really do some damage. You could really do some damage with the accounts if you would do it that way, but of course, everything, it's easier said than done. And feel like I'm asking for trouble if I do that. All right, market. We're 7 minutes away from the news here, so just need to be patient. I mean, really? Are we not going to make new lows here? Come on. You've been wanting to sell off all morning long. Don't stop now. Kind of a little bit of a precarious area right here. If we fail to make new lows, then kind of might need to get out here, actually. I'm going to move my stop to right here. That's not great. We failed to make new lows. Didn't even really test it. I was very close to just taking my profit there, but yeah, this is gonna rip now. It's fine. It's all good. Damage goes both ways. Just take 3,500 each. Set a level alert last night to sound a tone when the level got broken. Hey, Yogi Bark, good to see you. Ace Undercover, good morning. Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Take it all but 2 of them. I could do that too. I feel like we're gonna go back and revisit this conversation in the future. Come on, market. Just sell off. You know you want to do it. Just do it. You know you want it. Yay, we did it. We did it. Target filled. Let's go. I mean, that was one of those trades where I just, even, I mean, it was just too much. It was right there for the taking. Now we're going to just completely rip lower. Down through the 130s. Wow. News coming out. News coming out. What is it? News coming out in 3 minutes. That voice is there for a reason. And I know, okay, here's my dilemma, right? Here's the problem. And I go back and forth. Like, I've talked to my wife about it. And my wife is like, no, don't take all of it out. Like, basically, she's like encouraging me, like, hey, keep doing what you're doing. It's working. Just keep trading slow and steady. Take payouts every 8 days. Accumulate it and just do that. But so here's the problem. If I take out the max amount right now, I will always, I feel like I will regret it. Or I'll always wonder what could have been, or I'll always wonder like why I didn't just give it a chance to keep growing and keep taking out payouts. Like, I'll always just be like, oh, why did I do that? I just feel like I'll regret it. Now, the flip side of it is, if I don't take it, and I take out a payout today and, you know, worst things worse, we just have a string of terrible days and we blow the accounts. You know, if we blow the accounts, then at least I tried. I will be sad. Like, I'll be disappointed, no doubt about it. But at least I will, I don't know. I just feel like I would be like, hey, at least we tried. You know, I wouldn't have as many regrets, I feel like. Even though if you just look at it from a monetary standpoint only, then maybe the best thing is to just take out all of it. But I also feel like if I do that, like, it could, I don't know, it could start a downward spiral of bad trading or something. I don't know. And then there's also the fact I've had these accounts for almost 10 months. We have 140, we have 150 trading days on these 50K accounts now. 150 traded days. So why not keep going? I mean, these accounts have survived a lot. I will say these accounts have seen a lot. They have seen and experienced quite a bit. All right, news coming out in 15 seconds, guys. This is going to move the market, so be careful. Yeah, QuantGuard right now is still in update mode, so I know. That's the other thing. I'm kind of worried about that. Once QuantGuard is back up and going, I feel way better about it. Until then, I might not trade those 150s. I'll trade my other 150s, but not those 5. I would be dumb to cash them out now. Yeah, I mean, yeah. How do you make to show the total of the P&L at the bottom of the screen? This is the Affordable Indicators account dashboard. That's what I use. It's like an indicator that will do it. What happened? Best guess trading. I said at level. I forgot it sounded like a doorbell. And when it went off this morning, I kept going to the front door. Ah, that's too funny. Best guess trading. Okay, news came out. Looks like it was bullish. We got a nice 40, 60 point rip higher now. Okay, now we got to be interested here. Pretty big rip higher now. Trying to test the EMA for the first time today. Do we short this? An interesting dilemma here. I mean, I feel like I still am looking for shorts here. If we get a good setup, I'm gonna take it. Let's see what happens. Hey, daily gains, let's go. Let's get it. Oh wow, guys. Guys, look at this. I wonder if my dentist was he listening in yesterday? Just got a message from my dentist. We have an opening on May 30th, and we are moving up your appointment to 8:50 a.m. on May 30th. Very interesting. Okay, now we got to pay attention here. This is where I feel like I feel like I'm missing out when I don't kind of jump in prematurely, but I'm really going to try not to keep doing that. I'm going to really try not to keep doing that. My bad trades always happen when I jump in without confirmation on my trades. So I need to be okay with missing a move and just follow my setup. That's one takeaway from the last even the last week. Like there's been times I jump in early and it works. So then I kind of feel justified to keep doing it. But if I look overall, some of my worst trades are when I do that. So just gotta be mindful. Okay, now we can take it if we get below this. Let's see. This could be a little bit of a trap lower, but we'll see. All right, that might be a rip higher now. If it is, that's okay. But man, this volatility is crazy again today. It is crazy. Selling may be done for a while. If he was listening, it would be this week. Oh. Yeah, that's true, Mr. Wall Street. He doesn't know what I do for a living. At least I don't think he does. Is that indicator also used for copy trades? Blind man, I use Replicanto to copy trade. Just had more success with that. And it's just been reliable, and I just don't really have a reason to change. Hey, Nathan Fuller, good morning. How we doing? Jeremy Shaw, how we doing? How we doing, fellas? I actually need to reach out to QuantGuard and see what the status is on getting that thing back up and running. Which if you guys signed up on QuantGuard, he said that he will extend your free trials to make up for this downtime. All right. Let's want to pay attention here. Still looking for shorts, but if we make a move above this one, basically above the 200s here, then short term, we could be making a little bit of a move higher, but I'm still looking for shorts. I don't think, not unusual to get a little bit of a move higher here before we see the move lower. So we're just gonna wait. Who's calling me? Someone from Florida. I think I know who that is. I do not have time. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, man. All right, we need to get in this. We are going to get going. Are we going to get filled? The other reason that this sounds weird, but for me, the other reason, like, if I don't take the trade, like, if I wait till my confirmation and then I take the trade, I don't know why, but it's so much easier for me to accept the loss. Kind of weird, but it makes sense also. Because basically, if I did everything correctly, I followed my setup, everything, and I take the trade according to my setup like I'm supposed to, and then I'm just wrong, I have a way easier time accepting that than if I jump in prematurely and then it rips against me. I think it's because of I think it just makes me feel like an idiot. It makes me feel like an idiot, and so therefore I kind of want to try to, I don't know, like you almost want to compensate for it and then not take the loss. I don't know, it's weird. All right, this trade is no longer valid. Let's get out of this one. All right, we are ripping above the 200s right there. See, that's a perfect example of why to wait for confirmation. And now we wait. I'm still looking for a short. We might come up and retest the 240s, but I still think this thing goes lower. We're just seeing a little bit of spike higher for now. Whatever happened to chat trades? Kiss me, I cooked. Don't ask. We had an idiot trader. Idiot trader went and blew the account. I was an absolute buffoon. Totally unaccepted. We should actually ban that guy. That guy should be banned from the chat. If you know, you know. Why you gotta call me out like that? Now they text. Man, I'm starting to think. I'm actually starting to think my dentist was listening. I'm starting to think my dentist might have been listening. They literally replied and said, I want to apologize for not being able to get you in sooner. And we're trying everything we can to get you scheduled even sooner than May 30th. I don't know. Maybe they were listening. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't, I doubt it. I seriously doubt it. Tell him not good enough. It needs to be this week. I want to be tortured this week, not in 4 weeks. Torture me now, please. That is a twisted way of thinking. All right, we are above the 220s. Let's see what happens here at the 240s. Let's see what happens. We are seeing some pretty nice momentum here to the upside, but like I said, I ain't buying it. I ain't buying this one bit. You ain't fooling me, market. It was John Schmaltz. Imagine your stream is on in the dental office and you're just bashing them. I did not mention them by name though. So they got that going for them. Oh man. All right, we are going to look. Our entry would be right here. Oh, I don't know why it does that sometimes. All right, let's just keep waiting. I want to be patient today. Look for that rip lower. We get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. It's a pretty nice move from the lows. 100 points from the lows. So if you jumped in on the 120s, then you got a nice trade going. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. In a losing trade, do I DCA? Don't ask chat, Orlando. Grant Thompson, can you ban Nutty from chat? Don't even try it. Don't even try it. Nathan Fuller, I 100% violated the drawdown rule twice, requested payout last night anyway, and you got approved for 12K this morning. Let's go, Nathan Fuller. But let's try to keep that on the down low. Don't tell anyone. Daryl will call you later today. Hey, hang on. Kidding. They won't do that. All right, market. All right, well, this trade's void. Okay, we just ripped right through the 240s. Now I'm starting to waver a little bit on my conviction that this is going to go lower. I don't know, man. I might be wrong. Now, I can't remember being wrong before, but I'm sure it's happened. I also suffer from short-term memory loss, so there's that. Hey, Matty Matt. So glad I was long at 180 and took it off at 200. I'm a clown. Why not, Matty Matt? That's a great time. 20 points is 20 points. 20 points is still 20 points. Are they still Rolodex to check the trades? I have no idea, Faisal. Anymore, I don't know the process that Apex uses to approve payouts. Trust, I don't know. It definitely doesn't make sense all the time. Okay, market, 260s. I am gonna be hesitant here to take shorts, but if we start to consolidate here, then I will take a short. But I'm not going to take this on the first entry here. Could easily be a trap. We are retesting the S1 pivot right here at the 260s. So we do have a pivot point right here at the 260s. Something to keep in mind. Could see this thing pull back right here. I need to work on my discipline. Yeah. What do you guys struggle the most with? Do you guys struggle the most with holding winners longer? Like, do you guys struggle the most with holding a winner to your target or cutting your losses? Which of those two are harder for you? Because I always feel like it's one or the other. Like, what is harder for you to do? Is it harder to hold a winner to target, or is it harder to cut your losses? Excuse me. Wow, that's interesting. I mean, I think I think a lot of them are both. Like, I found it that some people struggle holding winners to the target. Okay, let me ask it this way. When do you get the most nervous? That's a better way of asking it, maybe. Like, okay, so if you're in the trade and the trade is going in your direction, it's doing exactly what you want it to do, but you're still not at your target, and then it starts to maybe just waver a little bit. Do you get way more nervous when it does that? Or do you get more nervous when you enter the trade and it starts to get really close to your stop loss? Like, which scenario does your heart rate increase the most? Because for me, I actually get more nervous when I'm getting really close to my take profit and it starts to do the wiggle. Like, it goes up to almost my take profit and then it does the wiggle. And it teases my profit target. That's where I will have, like, that. I start having bad thoughts. That's when I have bad thoughts, because I feel like you can just, I think I know why, because if I almost get to my take profit and then it just dumps lower and stops me out, that is a surefire way to trigger Nutty and get Nutty to go on a tilt session. So that's always, for me, why I feel like I'm way more likely to, that's always why I take profit. Like, if it starts doing the wiggle and I'm not quite at my take profit, I don't care. I'll take my profit. It is what it is. All right. It just wants to keep going. Man, oh man. You got long here on the, that's a pretty nasty move. Wow, wow, wow. Why they move higher? Crazy. Now I kind of don't want to, I don't know. I'm still short biased, but I'm starting to get really scared here. I'm gonna wait. If we get a good short setup, I think I'll still take it, but if we get above the 300s, man, I think we gotta start looking at taking longs. Even though I don't really want to. This one's the VWAP, Jeff Sweet. Yeah, we could be yeah, I guess the VWAP's up there, the 340s. We could do that. I could see that. I not nervous. I get pissed when Windbag Trump starts talking and I'm short. Oh, that's exactly, John. That also puts me on tilt. That will put me on tilt. Like, if I'm in a trade and something out of control happens and it rips against me, it just makes me want to break something. And sometimes sometimes I do. You're long from the 192s. Nice trade. Nicely done. Yeah, I mean, there were definitely could have definitely gotten long right here above the break of the 190s here, but very nice trade if you're long. Very nice. I'm still watching. I'm still waiting for a short here. I do think we at least attempt to retest the lows, but starting to waver on that conviction a little bit. Gotta see some consolidation here, and then if we see consolidation, might take a stab here short. As long as it just keeps ripping like this, we're just gonna wait. All right, like right here is kind of gotta be patient here. Let's see. See if we get up through that 300. It's just very bullish right now. Someone said that Top Step dumped a huge trader from their firm. I have no idea. I didn't hear anything. Just scalped it long for $100, but I really would prefer a short. All right, let's see. I mean, if we start to consolidate, that's where I will start to look at taking that short. Yes, he short 50 micros in a PA and he starts talking. Oh, that's terrible. My girlfriend was on a Zoom call for work and I started no idea she was on a work call. Oh, John. Oh. Oh man, there it goes. Ted just continuing to make new highs. Wow. Okay, it looks like we are going to test the 300s now. Man, oh man, this is wild. Slow grind higher. I mean, I guess we got to respect it. Are still. Maybe we reject this. Yes. We'll wait and see. Trying to be patient here. That someone is PW. That wait, you're saying that I mean, I have no idea if that's true or not, but let's go on Twitter and see. You would think we'd see that pretty directly. Oh no, that's someone else. I think I was talking about affiliates, I think. I'm not We just continue. We just continue to grind higher. Wild. Wild, man. I mean, what is going on? Are we not going to see? I mean, this isn't even attempting to pull back at this point. The PCE was good, 2.3% year over year. Hey, take care, Trip Moses. And I'm going to. And this is crazy. Needed consolidation, a little bit of a consolidation here. We wait. We wait. If we get filled, we get filled. If we don't, we don't. He's just going to keep going higher. Wow, look at that. I mean, that's crazy. Okay. I mean, I'm about to believe the longs here, which I don't know, man. This is crazy. I think it might have the VWAP. Yeah, I mean, I feel like VWAP is definitely in play here. We have now broken above the opening range high. Wow. Oh, really, Nathan Fuller? Nice, nice. Love to see it. Right. This is wild. Talk about a slow grind higher. Just there is. This is like literally the definition of a slow grind higher. And now 320s. Just, I mean, maybe this shouldn't be a slow. This is a rip higher. Wow. I mean, I feel bad if someone got short. May not be popular, but the 4-hour just retested at the last breakout area. It's still bullish technically. 4 hours, you say? Yeah, I guess you could say that. We do have, I mean, we did have support there, the 100s. True. Wow. What a move. What a move. It's impressive. It is impressive. Wild. I don't even know what to do now. Get a pullback here from the 340s. I mean, we haven't even really gotten a consolidation here. It's just straight up. But I've been around long enough to know this thing could just dump as well. So I don't know. Look at these. Look at these green momentum. I mean, that's very is insanely bullish. Almost so bullish that I don't believe it. But at least we're not going short. We're waiting. We're waiting, being patient, and if we're just chilling. When the ES gets to 515, I think NQ will pull back. Okay. I took a long at 10 a.m. because price was sitting exactly on the broadening pattern line with 1 minute. Will Apex deny this profit as news trading? No, you can trade news, Captain Crunch. That's not a problem. This is not a problemo, Captain Crunch. Not a problem. I know. The 5-minute, like the 2-minute chart, like 15-minute chart is, I mean, it's just crazy, crazy bully. Wild. It's so bullish that I'm hesitant to believe it, if that makes any sense. I'm going to wait, but technically I could take the short right there. All right, I'm going to do it. I mean, if I don't do it, then what am I doing? Might as well gotta follow through here. Let's see this baby tank. See if it can do it. Either going to tank or we're going to get trapped. One or the other will happen here. We are going to we took the trade, so this is now the moment of truth. We need to get down below the 280s for this to really be a really good setup or a really good potential trade. Got to get down through the 300s first. If we get trapped, this is where it's going to happen. If this rips higher now, then it is what it is. Take the loss. All right, come on. Down through the 300s. Let's go, baby. Tank it. Don't trap me. Don't do it. I don't like getting trapped. I don't like it. Do not like it. Come on, baby. This is where I have a hard time holding. Like right here. See, now if we get trapped, it would be bad. This could also be a good setup for a long if this rips right here. I'm trying to be patient. All right, right here. Dump it. Dump it. Come on, do it. Let's go. Let's go. We waited, we waited, we waited, we waited some more, and then we kept waiting. We finally got her. Now, this could still actually be a long setup, technically. Like, if we get above the 315s here, I actually should take a long. I actually should do it. And I'm gonna do it. I hate taking back-to-back trades like that. I'm just gonna wait. No need to get greedy. Just want to let everyone know. No shot design knob. I'm sorry. Are you serious? I was liquidated on NQ at 19,107. Oh, you're one of us, design knob. One of us. One of us. Like, this is okay. Okay, if I'm honest, I am almost, I don't know. This is definitely partially because of my bias that I do think we're going lower. So if we fail to make new highs right here, if we fail to make new highs and we get another short setup, I kind of need to take it. If we fail to make new highs. If we make new highs, we got to ditch the shorts. We got to ditch the short bias if we do make new highs here. But if we fail to make new highs, then kind of need to look at that. We're just gonna be patient, see how it plays out. What is the momentum indicator on your chart, Ali S? This is called a TDU Wada Atari explosion indicator. You can find it for free on TradingView, I think. Or you can pay for it using Trade Devil indicators if you. Man, we didn't even really reattempt to make new highs there. Very interesting. Wow, there it goes. I mean, I'm not gonna enter. There's only 180, so go figure. Oh, so it is Trump is gonna be talking? Oh, oh man, that'll be daily gains, market will rocket. And I'm gonna be in a pickle here if I need to make a decision. When is Trump supposed to talk? Is he gonna be talking in front of a lot of people, or what's the plan here? All right, see that like this one, if we rip a I want to almost see us retest the VWAP and then fail before I jump in short, because this really could still be a long trade. If this rips above the 310s, if this rips above the 320s, we could easily make new highs. I actually don't hate the longs here either. Like, we could easily take some. Yep, there she goes. 320s, new highs incoming. It's still bullish. We think we make new highs here. I really need to just stop. We need to put our short bias to rest. It's just looking very bullish. Wow, look at that. Wow. Yeah, we need to okay. I'm sold. You convinced me, Bulls. You have officially convinced me. We look for longs. It's just too bullish to ignore. 350s now. Now we just wait for a pullback, I guess. Wait for a pullback. Man, we got out of that short right at the right place. You love to see it. Yeah, Frank Costanza, it is. It's just that right now it's not worth taking a chance at shorts. It really isn't. Even though we could get a trap here and rip lower, but I just don't think it's worth it. What a crazy move. Pretty crazy market today. Considering the market move so far today, we took 2 shorts. I'm actually pretty happy to be green. I'm pretty happy to be green in a day like today going short. Today is one of those days where it's easy to get trapped in one direction and just you get that deer in the headlight look. Like headlights. Does anyone know the reference to that movie? Headlights. Does anyone know where that's from? What movie is that from? Tell me. What moving average do I use? I use the 21 EMA is what I use. Now, we'll pull back again. I mean, we did technically make a new high, Little bit interesting here. I mean, technically we made a new high, but you could almost classify this as a double top with the wick body of the candles. I don't know. You could almost convince me. This is also one of those times where if you take, like if I wait for a long setup now, and this is all a fake out to the longs, and now we dump, you do not want to get trapped in that move. That would trigger me. Getting a pullback here, back to the 310s, but we got to look for longs, I feel like. Got to look for longs, but we're going to wait for confirmation. We're not just jumping in here blind. Learned our lesson. This is where you kind of miss out if I wait for confirmation. If this just rips straight up, then I'm just going to miss out. And right back down. Hmm. And if I was still short biased, oh man. Oh wait, the movie reference. Sorry, I wanted to get, okay, sorry. Ratchet? No. No, that's not the movie. Nope. Nope. Yep, Peter Grant Thompson Trades. How did you figure that out? It's Peter Rabbit. It's Peter Rabbit is the movie reference. Hang on, I'll find it for you. It's the movie Peter Rabbit when the deer looks in the the deer steps out on the road and there's a car coming, he just freezes. He goes, headlights. This is really starting to look like we might actually pull back here now, and I just I wish. Man, now I'm getting FOMO. Getting the FOMO is real. Hmm. If I was still short biased and I was looking for shorts, we would have taken a short right there, the 317. Oh well. Guess we wait now. We might consolidate here as well. We might consolidate here between the opening range and the VWAP. But if we dump down below that 280 level, look out below. This thing really could dump. Now I wish I wish we were see if we get a move higher. See if we get a bump or a pump up into the 320s again. It's normal to retrace part of the last hour tail candle. Yeah. Okay, now see here. Boy, do we need to take... Technically, I should take this long right here. I guess we're going to do it. Said we're going to do it, so we're going to do it. Even though it kind of goes against my grain, against my... Okay, let's go, baby. Rip it. Rip it. Go, baby. Go. All right, we should probably take that off right there. That was my fault. Should have taken it off right there. I'm having regrets. Kind of at that double top, we should take it off. Why is my phone ringing again? Stop calling me. I'm busy. Trying to... Take it off. Hello? Go. Are you serious? Do it. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I guess, hey, we had to take it because that's what we said. We're long bias. We're looking for longs. It's starting to get interesting. If we can't make new highs here, if we can't get above the 360s, maybe we go sideways. We're definitely struggling here at the VWAP. We're definitely struggling to keep going. The VWAP is definitely causing some issues. And right back down. Man, it's crazy. Take your hands out of my pockets. Wait, stream is lagging? Cody Cook? It shouldn't be. I don't have any. That must be on your end because I got 0 drop frames. Stream quality is excellent, it says. My biggest mistakes are made when trying to trade chop. Yeah. Yep. I mean, I struggle too. I think if you're a momentum trader, chop is your worst enemy. Yeah, I really do. Like right now, I mean, this is where I feel like I need to stop trading because this really is starting to feel like we're going to go sideways and just start to chop. And let's wait. We almost have to wait now. Either wait for a move below the 270s and then look for shorts, or wait for a clear move above the 350s and then we look for longs. Yeah, we're not lagging. I'm pretty sure we're good. Doing okay, man. Thanks. Okay. I love you. How do you have a summary of each account, Raj? This is using take profit or affordable indicators account dashboard. Actually, I didn't even realize. So we're actually up 274 on each account. I'm gonna look for like 350 to 400, and then I'll move on to the next round of accounts. So, it's affordable indicators account dashboard. There's a link down below if you want to support the channel, and check them out. Wow, look at this. Very choppy here. I'm not going to take this trade. It's not worth it. Even though I do think we go higher. I think we're going to rip above the 350s here. Let's wait and see. And pulling back again. Need 5 more days in Buellnox for a 1K payout. Do they let you flip that many days? Yeah, I don't know. I don't use Buellnox. I'm not sure. Yeah, right now, just buying at the EMA right now would be money. You just buy at the EMA, you'd be making millions. Be making millions depending how much contracts you trade. Still not above that 350s, like a clear move above it. Keep bumping our head every time. See, maybe this goes now. $60 more to pass an eval. Let's go, Gizmery. Let's go. Wait, crypto calls. I wasn't seeing your messages. Sorry, I'm not on purpose. What did I miss, crypto? Hang on, I'm gonna find it. Red Rover, I think we're gonna range between 280 and 340 for a little bit. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, it's from Back to the Future? Oh, you were doing, oh, I see. Nope, it was not. That wasn't it. Nope, sorry. Oh, the link? Yeah, sorry. I don't think you can send a link. Only can send the link if you're a mod, I think. YouTube doesn't allow it. I can't, if you're sending a link, crypto calls, I can't see it. All right, let's see if we get above the 350s here. Let's see if she can go. $350s. There she goes. 360s, 370s, 375s. There's the breakout. Wow. Wow. Market is bullish. I mean, we are looking for longs. Ah, man, she's wild today. Yeah. Captain Crunch. So we don't have to email explanations of trades that happened during news? No, you don't, Captain Crunch. Nope. No, sorry. You can trade the news with Apex, so there's no restrictions on trading the news, Captain Crunch. You can trade the news. Just be aware, you know, there's a 30% drawdown rule. So that's if you trade very volatile news, good luck with that. But you can trade the news. Just there is no restrictions on it. All right, 360s, 370s. Wow. We gotta look for longs. Just gotta wait for it. Stop calling me. Hang on, I'm gonna take this. Wrong number. Crazy. Okay, getting a pullback here. Now we gotta wait for an entry, and then I'm gonna jump in here long if we get one. Market, it's just crazy bullish right now. She wild. She is going crazy. No, it's not, Patrick. Support at 3 design knob. Don't keep torturing yourself. uh yeah, trading pre-market, especially today, Mr. Wall Street. Trading pre-market today was insane. We just went from the 600s and just zero, like it went from the 600 to the 430s like it didn't have a care in the world. Pretty wild. I'm very thankful I wasn't trading that. I would have probably gotten destroyed. When is the room tour? Man, I don't know. You guys can pretty much see the room right now. The way all right, I would love to get a pullback back into this like 320 area would be nice. That would be nice. Maybe we don't get it. This is not giving me the pullbacks that I would prefer. And is this really just gonna grind higher? It's only 11 o'clock though. It's only 11 o'clock. There's plenty of time. There's plenty of time in today yet. Gonna wait. We're gonna be patient. All right, are we gonna get through that 380 or not? Hey, TK Trading, how we doing? If minus 1100 on Apex 50K, so if I request, I need to total what? If you're wait, what? TK Trading. If you're negative 1100, that I don't understand. Are you saying that you made 1100 or you lost 1100? Hey, Francis, how we doing? Daily gains. Why am I not in the long? I was hoping for a bigger pullback. I don't like entering at the previous highs. Like, I want a little bigger pullback before I enter. I mean, technically, yes, you could have entered here at the 367s, but I hate doing that. I just don't feel like it's worth. I want to be the pullback to be closer to the EMA here. But yeah, we're missing out on this move. It is what it is. Is what it is. Unbelievable. This is just grinding higher like crazy. Now we're at the 400s. I don't know, man. This is different. This is starting to get to that point where you just start to question how much longer will this keep going. Because one thing with certainty, I mean, there are no guarantees in trading, but I can almost assure you that at some point in this move higher, we're going to see an extended pullback. We're going to see one of those 80 to 100 point pullbacks that no one is ready for. And I just have no desire to be, I don't know. Gotta wait. See if we get a pullback. Get close to that 350 area would be nice. Not, we chilling. Wow. Right back up through the 400s. Man, I give up. And we get a pullback. Gaps love to get filled. That's what they say. My question is, okay, is if now I make the 1100 back. Oh no, it's just your end of day profit that matters. The 30%, you're talking about the 30% consistency rule? So if you are in a negative drawdown right now of $1,100 and then you get it back to, let's say you get it back to $1,000 in profit. That's not 2,100 of profit. That's only 1,000 in profit. If that makes sense. It's just the overall end of day profit that gets used to calculate your 30% consistency rule. If that makes sense. Okay. Hey, let's go, Gizmery. You passed your eval. Let's go. Yeah, only end of day is the only thing that matters. Intraday, whatever your profit is, like, doesn't matter. End of day is what matters. So technically, if you're like $3,000 profit, you know, and you lose 2,000, you know, I wouldn't recommend it because you're going to lose your drawdown. But it's only the end of day that matters. The end of day is the only thing that matters. Come on, market. Give me a pullback. I am not going to trade these micro pullbacks. I am not going to fall for it. I mean, it's tempting, but I'm just not going to. This is a crazy price action here. Look at it. Do these small 10-point pullbacks, and it just immediately rips higher. Crazy. Be crazy, man. Ah, and there it goes. About to make new highs. 404s. Does the current Apex offer need payment of purchase to separate data feed? MB? No, it does not. Nope. No data feed. You can, no data feed purchases required. I was very scared. TK Trading. All right. Hey, you're good. Just passed 3 accounts with Apex using my code. Let's go, Top X. I appreciate that. Thank you. How long can you keep a past eval and sign contract without paying the activation? So you can keep it as long as you want, but oh, let's see. Rad Poker already answered it. Thank you, Rad Poker. Thank you, Rad Poker. I appreciate it. Keeping the group informed. All right, we just keep going higher. I don't know, man. I don't know what to do here. This is wild. This is wild. It just keeps going higher with no significant pullback. So I guess we keep waiting. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna be patient, and we're not gonna chase it. Oh. Man, this is crazy. Hey, Top X, the best code. That's right. Still can't believe I was short earlier. I know, right? I mean, I was short biased. I was short biased all the way up until we broke the VWAP here. So I feel very fortunate. The only reason I'm not red is because I waited for confirmation on my setups. If I don't wait for confirmation, I probably would be having a red day today. I'd probably be very frustrated. So all right. I mean, this is now the pre-market mid level here, the 420s. I don't know. Maybe we got to be getting a bigger pullback here soon. It's got to be happening. Maybe if I switch in the second chart, Coach Knob is always telling me, don't do it, Captain Crunch. Yeah, London closes in 10 minutes. That could bring it to get a pullback, but oh my, wow, look at that. Man, what is going on here? And this, look at this 4-hour candle. This 4-hour candle is wild. That is wild. Ay, 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 ay. Man, this is crazy. Just buy the dips, they said. Just buy the dips. Yeah, that breakout area of the 340s, 335s there is, wow. I mean, that's wild. The thing is, like, I always feel, and this is Guess we kind of tried to retest the lows, but I don't know, man. I find this kind of market difficult to trade if we don't get pullbacks. Like, this is not pullbacks. These are just immediately. I don't look at this as pullbacks here. We're just going straight up. And if we go to the 5-minute candle, it almost looks more, or it makes more sense. Like, look at this 5-minute candle or 5-minute chart. It's just, that's so difficult for me to look at that and be like, yeah, there's an entry. I don't know, man. Oh, crazy. What is the weather going to look like today? By the way, we did have some storms in the area yesterday. I did notice there were some storms. All right, we have actually weather today is going to be pretty nice. We might have to tomorrow is wait. Wait, what am I looking at? Tomorrow is more rain. Friday Friday more rain and Saturday more rain. Oh, boys, hold up. We're getting our pull back. Hold up. Hang on. If I look away, I just had to look away a little bit and then we get the pullback. So, now here's the game plan. This is actually, this is also at the London close, so, man, I don't know. You always, this is so dangerous, I feel like. We finally get a pullback, but now I'm scared. This is gonna dump. Need to be careful, but we need to, if we get a good long, if we get a long setup, then we obviously have to take it. But I am not, I'm gonna wait for a confirmation here for sure. Nothing like a 60-point pullback. Like nothing. Like it's nothing. 19,107. Stop it, design knob. Stop it. Stop it. Stop torturing yourself. Again, now I want to look this 4-hour chart, 60-minute chart. Man. Finally seeing a pullback. That's at least we're getting a pullback. So not going to complain about that. Now we just got to pay attention. Oh, man. Did I not get filled? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. I did not get filled. Oh, you love to see it. I didn't get filled. Gotta be kidding me. Uh, that is unfortunate. And I could almost go. That is so unfortunate. I'm gonna jump in here. I feel like this trade's got me nervous. I big fan. I jumped in with some FOMO here. Yeah, and I feel like I'm gonna regret it, but if we don't go right here, I'm closing this trade. If we don't rip right here, I'm just getting out. I don't know. It's a bad entry. I chased. I'm just getting out. You know what? It was a bad entry. That was a FOMO entry. This could still work out, but that had the makings of a terrible decision. I need to get ready with my order a little bit sooner. When this candle closes, I need to get ready with my order so that this doesn't happen. That could have been a disaster. Could have been a disaster. Wait, Trump is speaking at the cabinet meeting soon? Oh dear. Oh dear. Hold on. Any green trade is a good trade. That was one of those trades where I'm okay. I'm okay saying I got lucky. I'm okay with that. Man, I'm so glad that I just took my profit there. So Michelle Obama said raising a trans kid. Oh my. I am sad that I read that. What are we gonna do here? 11:36. 11:36. Market is just kind of being. Honestly, the price action today has been very nice. It's been pretty clean. Not a whole lot of chop. So want to see if we can't get a pullback back into that 380 level, maybe. Stop calling me. All right, we're getting the pullback. Now, this is also, okay, we did fail to make new highs. All right, time to pay attention. Set up here. Okay, we wait. See if we get filled. Kind of hoping we don't, to be honest. And we're in. Let this thing go higher. Let's see how bullish she is. How bullish are you, man? Gonna roll over now. Come on, Bulls. Give me one more push. One more push. You can do it. Big push, everybody. Everybody together push. Big rip here. Come on. Rip it. Just do it. Being sluggish. Being very sluggish here. Being difficult. I don't like it. Do not like it. One of those times where I just want to close the trade for $1 profit. Come on. I might actually close this trade prematurely. Ugh. Wait, is Trump going to be talking here soon? Uh-oh. I might need to get out. Kind of need an excuse to get out of this trade anyway. Tell me Trump is about to talk. That's a good excuse as any. Okay, that's what you guys said. Thank you. He's already talking. See? I'm good. Of course, it's gonna go to my target now, but I did not like that trade one bit. Not one bit. I had flashbacks of that thing just ripping lower. Don't trust it, even though probably should stay in it, but whatever. If Trump is actually talking, I'm not gonna trade. Oh my gosh. You know what? Don't even tell me. I'm not gonna look. I don't want to know. Don't even tell me what's going on. I can imagine. Don't worry. I'm sure. Gotta be kidding me. Of course it ripped higher. We all know that there was a 99.7% chance that was going higher. We all know that. This is nothing new. This is nothing to worry about. No worries, guys. It's all okay. We're just part of the plan. Part of the plan. Baby gains. Baby gains. Baby gains. Just part of the plan. Can you take us on another hot air balloon ride? I should. It was huge. Oh man. Yeah, if Trump is talking, then we don't need to. I don't think we need to take trades here. And we are right. So 450s has a pivot point. So we are right at that pivot point. And we're at this little spike higher from this morning. So I don't know why, but right now I have a very strong urge to short this market. Oh, that is not a good sign. That is not. I need to get off of this planet as soon as possible. Oh no, don't even tell me. Oh, by the way, we forgot to do our daily check-in with with the Babylon Bee. We forgot to do the daily check-in. What are the headlines on the Babylon Bee today? You know what the headlines were a couple days ago? This Babylon Bee. That was the headline. Player drafted by Cleveland Browns decides to just retire instead. I love it. Oh, you gotta love it. I respect it. I respect it. Woman shocked to learn pill designed. Oh dear, we are so in bad. We're in bad shape, man. Ah. Hey, Traders, Jake, how we doing? He's on IndiTrader 8 with affordable indicators overlay. Thank you. He's correct. Grace? I don't know. Maybe. I guess we'll see. Kamala Harris live stream speech will charge $25 to use mute button. That would be the best fundraiser. That would be the best. The best fundraiser they could do. $100 to mute for 10 seconds. They'd make millions. Hey, Margaret, what's it going to be? I mean, I am just not going to enter up here. I don't know. I probably should. Probably should take a long here, but I'm not doing it. I am not. Man, I really need to. Oh, my. I'm going to regret not taking this long. I'm going to regret this. Let the record reflect. Let the records show that Nutty Bar said he is going to regret not taking this trade. End quote. Trump dump in you think there's going to be a Trump dump? I'm scared to click on your links design now. I'm just saying. Do I hate when it pop up? Lindsey Graham asks Kathy to keep an open mind about. There's no way that's true. There is no shot that that's true. You know what I've started doing? If I see a headline, if I see a news article, I just immediately assume that it's not the whole truth or possibly even just outright false. Why am I always so green? Carmino Cat Gaming. Well, let me tell you a story. I wish it was that way, but it ain't. I ain't green all the time. Go rewind. Go look at my live stream yesterday. I think yesterday we lost $110 or so per account on these 5 accounts at the very minimum. The more I observe the headline, the more true it is. He's long and short, and the program shows the green position. Oh man, I need that program. Like I need a, you know what? Also, today is the last day of the Apex 80% sale, unless they extend it, which we know they are habitual sale extended. But just saying, for right now, it is the last day. I don't know that they're going to extend it, but I don't know that they won't. I know nothing. All right, market back down to the 410s. Let the record reflect that I'm actually glad that I didn't go long. Wow, there's a shocker. I only buy Apex 90% offs. That's fair. That's fair, man. The Pope must be speaking. I will say we need to draw the line. If Trump ends up being the Pope, there's red flags. We need to do something. There's something wrong. There is something wrong if that happens. I mean, I am almost sure they will not do a 90%. That I feel very confident saying. It looks like QuantGuard at least knows what the issue is, and they're waiting on Rhythmic to update it and hopefully get this QuantGuard back up and running, boys. I feel naked. I feel like I'm trading naked if I don't have it. Feel very vulnerable. Oh, snap. I missed the setup again. Mind. Okay, we're okay if we take it right there. Mind your business, Nutty. You need to keep your attention on the charts, okay? If we get filled here, great. If we don't, then not so great. Got filled. Got our stop right there. Got our target right there, and we chilling. Please don't fake me out, market. Please keep going higher. Just do your thing. You know what to do. Market only goes what? What does the market do? Market only goes up. That's right. That's all we need to know. Just need to know two things in life. Actually, never mind. Please go higher. Take me out. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the... Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I apologize. I will not sing again. Hit me. Hit me, baby. Ooh. Market only goes up, folks. Trading is easy. Trading is easy, guys. Telling you. Trading's simple. Market only goes up when it's going up. And then you just go long. Just kidding. Not easy. It's hard. Today it's easy, though. But now that I've said that, now that I've actually said that out loud, that means I have to stop trading. Because the markets do not appreciate being made fun of. They do not. They don't take kindly to someone flexing on them. I know I've been around long enough to know you never flex on the market. Never. You will get wrecked. Music time. Ooh, we haven't had a music session in a while. Oh. Who wants it? Huh? Go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button. You know what? I'm going to see. I'm going to see if you guys are actually... Are you guys worthy? Are you guys worthy of getting some good soul music? Music for the soul will make grown men cry. Let me see. Are you guys ready for it? How many likes do we have? We have 144 likes. I don't know, man. I'm disappointed. Very disappointed. I'm going to need to see that thing increase in order for you guys to be worthy. No, you want it. You know you guys want it. Don't even kid yourself. Wow, look at this market. It's crazy. I mean, every little red candle is just bought up. Boom, 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 boom. It's like a machine gun. Brrr. Any dip is being bought up like crazy. And we get Ben and Rose and June. Ribbon and dipping. Ribbon and dipping. Let me search. Maybe we can find some Ben and June in honor of John. I'm sorry. There was no need for that. Hang on. Everybody wait up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Who's ready? Who's ready? This is a good way to end the day. Don't tell me that this isn't. This is a great way to end a nice, calm trading day. Oh, forms. I mean, it's okay, guys. Let it out. Our good friend Ben. Ben, he avoids eye contact. So, I don't know what that's about. Here we go. He could use a shave as well, Ben. Not to critique, but right, Ben could use a little bit of a cleanup on his beard. A little bit of scruffy going on. Market keeps going higher.
Slowly but surely, I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely, you're winning my heart, and you're winning my heart too. You're just what I wanted. You're just what I.
Did Ben use a bowl to get that hairline? Hey, that's a standard Amish haircut. Very respectable haircut, to be honest. You guys are sleeping on this hairstyle. All right, one more. We'll do one more. I know you guys want more, but we'll do one more. Hang on. Is this it? Yes, this is the one. Thank you. Crank it up. I'd offer to you a solid gold mansion, an airplane or two.
This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
I love it, Orlando. If I play guitar, I can strum a little bit. I have a few keys I can do, but no, I wouldn't consider myself a guitar player.
The tears that have fallen won't buy you a thing. The heartache you caused me won't pay for a ring.
Copyright strike coming soon. pennies and
heartaches were gold. But teardrops aren't pennies, and heartaches aren't gold.
all right, that's all you guys get for today. I know you guys want more, but we're going to end it there. No more songs. You know what I thought? You know what we should do? I'm actually, what time is it? It is currently 12:04. Guess what? I don't have a dentist appointment and I don't even have a doctor appointment. Let's go. And, you know what I'm thinking? I know you guys want Flight Simulator, but I got something else that I want to play. This is kind of lunch hour anyway. I mean, the market is continuing to grind higher here. This is crazy. Here's what we're going to play. And we need to establish a couple very key things. This is what we're going to play. We're going to play a little bit of we're going to take a little bit of an intermission during lunch hour. Wow, this market, look at that. It just keeps going higher. Unbelievable. Nope. It just hang on, guys. Just hold up. Hold on. Just hold on. Okay, you know what? This is a good time as any. This is a good time as any to play I mean, this market this is crazy. Hang on. This is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. Hold up. Hold up. Where's my other camera? Here. Ha 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 ha. Okay, listen, guys. Before you guys all just leave, this is we are going to play some golf. Now, we need to make sure that you guys understand something very important. This is very, very important. By the way, the market we're going to keep an eye on the market, but for now, there's nothing to trade here. We have this difficulty settings on Pro Am. You're going to watch me play, you're going to think I'm terrible, but I'm telling you, the settings are actually insanely difficult to play well on this settings. Hang on, we'll unmute this. So, here we go. I just wanted to show that. We're going to play the full rounds. We are currently starting our career, and we are playing a qualifying event. We need to place in the top 45 in order to get selected for the Corn Ferry Tour. Okay? That's me. Yep. I don't want the sound to be so loud. We're playing PPC Sawgrass. Here we go. Here we go. Par 72 from the tips. PPC Sawgrass. I have been known to get a little upset, a little frustrated with this game, so there's a chance we won't finish this round. Just saying.
Let's catch up with play down on the opening hole.
Oh boy. Okay, here we go. First hole. Par 4. A little bit of a dog leg to the right. Now, here's the thing. Somehow this controller, everything I hit, everything goes right. everything is a push and a fade. So we got to aim like right here. All right, let's hope I hit a good shot the first one. I do not want to be embarrassed. Oh, dear Lord.
Let's see what kind of tone he sets for himself today. Never easy playing from the pine needles, that's for sure.
Gonna be a long day. I used the Xbox controller. This is rough. Okay, guys. I don't know. We might not make it through the first hole. That was a duck hook. That was a duck hook to the right or left. Can we punch this through? Can we punch this through the... We're just going to have to try it.
Straight into the woodwork from that one. And that one has failed to escape the rough. So he's got more work to do here. This now, his third shot.
I don't want to hear it, guys. I do not. I will ban you. This is hard. This is way harder than it looks. I promise.
This one doesn't look like it's hit with full intent. These are always dicey lies, Rich, in the pine straw.
This is bad. Okay, this is actually bad. I don't even know. Hey, we hit a decent shot. We're on the green, boys. Okay, everybody calm down. This is fine. We can two-putt this for double bogey, I think. Now, we're going to have to...
Through the break on this putt.
This has got loads of movement right to left, this one.
Now, I don't have the cheat cam isn't on. Everything has to be on its... Like, I just gotta look at this putt and just... I think we need to be like right here. This is gonna break a lot. Oh, we left it short.
Done. Nestled it up close.
All right, we need to make this putt.
Coming up to the cup.
We need to make this putt like... Oh yeah, no problem. Okay,
so that's
okay.
the opening hole, double bogey.
Not a great start. Not a great start. Double
Ouch,
bogey
that
on the first
stings.
hole. We
That's
just...
gonna leave a mark.
Little bit of nerves. Little bit of nerves.
Par 5 second.
This is... Hang on. Oh dear, this makes me... Okay, here we go. Oh, that was a good shot. Okay.
Yeah, great rhythm on that swing.
Right down the fairway. Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Playing
313
from around
yards.
240
Okay, now
yards.
a par 5. If we could get a like a birdie or an eagle here, it really would change things.
This
Never
one looks to
mind.
be a tad wayward. Setting up
All right,
with
it's
some
fine. We
very
got
deep
plenty of
rough.
green to work with here.
Yes, this is like a big bowl of spinach salad. It's just gnarly in there.
Sit. Sit.
Good look at a birdie here.
Okay, we got a birdie putt here. I'm watching the market. Man, do I take a trade here? I'm not going to do it. All right, we need to make this putt for birdie here. I say we go about a foot outside to the right. Maybe not quite that much.
Ooh, nice line.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Ooh, nice putt to make for a birdie.
That's a birdie right
Finds
there.
himself in a share of 11th.
And after that good play, moving up the leaderboard.
Okay, I like it. Okay,
Here we
we
are at the
can
third.
if we can hit a good shot here. Oh man, we cannot go for this pin. Oh, that's a good line. That's an aggressive line, guys. Oh,
Going with the 6-iron here.
sit. Stop rolling, you. Okay.
Well, this would be a big putt to make. A birdie always nice, but particularly when it's a 2. What are we looking at for this putt, Henny?
This one's a 36-footer.
I don't think it's gonna break that much. We're gonna do like right there. Oh, we should have given it a little bit more.
Putting for a par here.
Right.
And just
Okay, we'll take a
keeping
par.
neutral on the
We'll take a
leaderboard.
par. Wow, look at that. We had a... Now we continue lower. I'm watching the
And
market
now
as
onto the
well
par
here,
four,
so...
fourth hole.
All right, we're going to hit driver off the tee here. I think that's a good line. Oh, yeah. Fairway hit.
Sitting at +1.
Oof. Okay. Want to hit... We're going to try to put this in close, put some spin on it. Oh,
Nothing
this
as
should be
beautiful
good.
as a tiny fade.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we got a birdie putt here to get back to
This
even
putt to move
par.
into a tie for third place.
Hmm.
Down there, you got a read.
Yeah, it's really tough to see, but it's going to
So
be straight. And
this
then
one-
just switch left.
let's really get down here and look at this thing. I mean, I don't think it's gonna do much. We got a little... Man, I think it's gonna go straight. No!
That's disappointing. This putt just 5 feet away from the hole.
That was disappointing. That broke way more at the end than it feel like it should have. All right, next hole.
The leader now has
It's all right.
one stroke
It's all right.
advantage.
We are +1. The leader currently is 2 under, so we're still within the shot.
And now teeing off.
Need to
this
avoid the
par
blow-up
four.
holes, which we are very capable of having. Oh, that's going to be in the sand.
It's heading to the bunker for sure.
Oh. Gotta be kidding me.
Setting up in the bunker.
All right,
here.
we can... Feed up on the green. Feed. Go, baby. Go. Oh! Oh, what a shot.
That's an absolute ripper. What a shot.
What a shot.
This
That's
putt
what he
To
said.
move into the top 5 on the leaderboard.
Okay, this is a downhill, right to left putt. It's gonna... I'm gonna try to leave it short. Because this could feed right off the green if I don't make this. Get in the hole! No!
Pretty straightforward 4-footer coming up here.
Yeah,
Rich,
it's
is
a
there
par.
anything more disappointing
All right,
than setting
we...
up what
Hang
you
on.
think is a makeable birdie putt, but unfortunately not able to convert. Now 3 strokes back after that hole.
Man, this is a interesting area right here that I'm
The
actually
sixth is a
looking
par
at.
4.
Ooh, do I take it? Do I take it? I'm not gonna... Nope, we're not gonna take it. Back to the game. Back to the game. More important things here. All right. That's a beautiful drive.
That should find the sand.
And are you kidding?
This is his second shot.
How?
3 strokes off the lead.
That was such a bad... That was bad luck. How am I gonna get this on the green? Maybe like that.
Bit disappointing, that one.
Are we serious right now? That thing hit the lip and bounced right back to where it was? This is
Yeah, this one, it's veering off a little bit to the right.
Now just 1 over par.
dear help us. Not great. Ain't good, man. I have no idea how we're gonna stop this ball from feeding all the way across the green. Like that. You hate to see it.
Well, this would be a bonus. This is a very long putt.
Oh, now we got this for bogey.
This one's going to gently meander.
This is
from
the hole we
left.
wanted to avoid. Maybe we can make it. Get in the hole. Oh. Yeah, market continuing to just to kind of bleed lower here. I'm glad we're not in that trade. Double bogey again. Okay, we got to get some birdies. We got to get some birdies.
After that effort. Well, it's time to clear the mind of that double bogey. Step up onto the tee with a bit more confidence.
Yeah, we're about to hit tilt golf session.
Oh, well done.
I have quit this game probably 1,000 times.
Second shot here on the 7th.
Okay. All right, we can put this one close. We got to put a little bit of backspin on it. And we're going to just let it feed right up to it. Oh, we hooked it. We hooked it. We overcooked it. And now we're... Oh, dear. Now we're short-sighted.
Facing a little up and down here to save the par.
Yeah, this is bad. I ain't gonna lie. This is bad. We're going to try to land it right there. I mean... I hate this game. I hate this stupid game.
All right, Henny.
That is not what I hit. Why did it hit
It's
it
looking
straight
like
left?
31 feet.
Straight right. Get in the hole. Oh.
This putt of about 7 feet to the hole.
We need to make this for bogey. We're getting close to start over points. All right, that was a okay. Regroup. Time to regroup.
He'll drop to 4 over par for the event.
Not much happening. Moving down the leaderboard. Never a good sign.
All right, this is a difficult par 5. Par 3, I mean.
Opting for the 5-wood.
I have no idea what that was. That is not what I pushed on my controller. Like, this game is so stupid sometimes. Like, that is not... Whatever. Like that. How did it go over there?
Par putt coming up here.
I don't even know why I
He's
play
down
this
there.
game.
You got a read?
I don't know that you can give
Okay.
this enough break.
Get in the hole.
Left-hand side. Whew.
Oh! Oh!
So close.
Wow, we're continuing to pull back below the 400s now. Feel like this golf game just saved me money.
Game's just getting a little out of shape by the looks of it.
Ooh, that almost slipped out.
Another compounding it, not good.
And these announcers are also very annoying.
And moving down the leaderboard as well.
Like, very
On
disrespectful.
the tee of the par 5 ninth.
Please don't go in the bunker.
That's a bit out of shape.
Yeah, whatever, dude.
Good shot there, Beamer.
All right.
And Henny, what's he looking at here?
164 to the
estimation,
pin.
He's got around 170 here.
Go right at it. Okay.
And choosing the 8-iron here.
Just keeps
This one
fading.
looks like it's going right. Let's see if we can get this one up and down for
All right,
par.
we can actually make this. We can make this. Or not. Never mind.
Not far from the green here, just in the green side rough.
Don't talk to me. What
Did
the?
that look good for a long time?
Don't talk to me. That was not the game is so stupid. So dumb sometimes. You just sometimes the game glitches, like the game will glitch out. Like it just did. It glitches out and then you have to restart the round. It's very weird. Very weird how it does it, but some kind of glitch in the game. Just gotta restart the round and it'll be fine. Nothing to worry about.
2K Sports and the Corn Ferry Tour.
Yeah, I know. Just get me to the front first tee. Thank you. I'll take it from here.
Let's head out onto the course. Hello and welcome. It's great to have your company here on 2K Sports. I'm Luke Elvey.
All right.
Alongside Rich Beam, right here in the booth. And out on the course is Henny Koyak and John McCarthy. The course looks pristine. The crowd is buzzing. And we're glad.
Are you telling me I aimed over there? I
Setting up here with a very long putt. All right, John, you've been reading them well all day.
Okay, we just need the two putt for par here, and we're in good shape.
Right to left.
We do not want to be long. I think that's a good line. I like it. Get in the hole.
Well judged. He had the right speed there.
Okay, that's a good first hole.
Oh, this would be a good one to make. It's for par.
Okay, see, it was just a glitch. Definitely a glitch, and we fixed it. Okay, here we go. Nothing to... Sit. Get down. Get down, ball. Don't go in the trees. Don't do it.
Second shot.
Okay, we got a shot here. Why do you hit it right? I did not hit it.
That's gonna find the water, sadly.
Are you? I did not.
Here is his fourth.
I did not hit that one right, okay? Stupid game.
That doggle hunt.
From about 100 yards.
This one better go.
A bogey putt awaits. What are we looking at for this putt, Henny?
This
Stop
is looking
calling
like
me.
a 40-footer.
All right. Okay, we need to make this for bogey. It's got a chance. Oh, and he left it short? Are you kidding me?
Just 6 feet between he and the hole. Sitting at a couple over for the event.
Unfortunately, backing up slowly but surely on that leaderboard, Luke.
Let's see what happens here at the third hole. Oh, that looked like a bit of an ugly swing there. A little off the mark on that approach shot.
Wind is absolutely swirling in this part of the golf course.
Weird. Another glitch. I'm not a sore loser, but when the game glitches and doesn't, I'm literally, the game has, it's the game. The controller and the game are like, there's a problem. I'm telling you, I am not hitting it right. I try, I'm literally, whatever, you guys wouldn't understand anyway.
Now to the first hole.
See? You see where I was aiming? And it goes straight right.
Not a good result there. Henny, is that lying
You don't get lucky this often out on a golf course. It's
Oh
in the
my
second
word.
cut, but looking nice. Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
This one's left.
And from the bunker here, looking for an up and down.
This is going to be impossible. Absolutely impossible up and down. I'm going to hit it into the bank. Oh, yeah, of course.
Coming up from the bunker. Okay, on the dance floor, but a long way from the DJ. Now, long range putt coming up here. This is good to make a bomb, wouldn't it?
This has to be the dumbest game they ever made.
Good effort from there.
Yeah, it's just about 3
That is
feet away.
not.
Yeah, well hold. Let's move on.
Well, the
I'm
only
not,
good
I
thing
don't know.
about
I
that
don't.
is it wasn't a
I have
triple
no
bogey.
words.
Let's take a look at this par 5 second hole.
A rough double bogey in the last hole. This hole is really tough now.
Well, that'll work there.
If this thing goes straight right, we're unplugging the machine. Oh my word. Dude, I aimed 50 feet left. Okay, okay. Everybody calm down. This is going to be fine. We're going to make it.
Is this going to hold the fairway? This would be a great up and down.
Don't talk to me.
Wow, that almost went in the hole. Putting for a bogey.
Oh, don't worry, guys. We'll get it. We'll get it. It'll be fine. Just as soon as we get the controller glitches out of the way, we'll get this. We will be fine. It'll be fine. Market isn't doing anything anyway, so I prefer to play this game not while I'm streaming. There's other things that I would be doing if I wasn't streaming. Just so you guys know, this is my first time playing this difficulty level. I'm not even sure how many times we've restarted. We lost track way a long time ago. Look at that. Like, it is literally going 50 yards to the right of where I'm aiming at. Someone explain that to me.
We're excited to begin this week's coverage on 2K Sports and also what's in store for us.
Oh, of course. Now we go left. I mean, there is no rhyme or reason to this. Absolute.
What kind of a lie has he drawn?
This reminds me of my breakfast. Nice fried egg.
Time now for the fourth shot.
This game is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. If you go off the green here, I will lose it. Okay, okay.
Look at that shot there, Beamer.
Is this for
Just
bogey?
3
Okay,
feet to
this
the
is
cup.
for bogey. We're okay.
This
We
one,
can handle.
just for a bogey.
And the putt drops.
Okay, it's just a bogey.
Yeah,
We
well,
can recover
we're
from a
used to
bogey.
making bogeys a lot, Luke. This player is not. I think that there'd be birdies
And we're
to
in the
come,
trees.
no doubt about it.
Nice. Very nicely
Oh,
done,
what's
sir.
happening here?
Yeah,
Let's
that's
go
great.
into the pine
Okay,
straw. It's
fine.
not too bad in there.
You're gonna hit your
Time for the
wood.
second shot
That's a.
here on the second
Let's
hole.
hit a 7-iron. Just get it in the fairway.
Atta boy, good shot. This shot from about 190 yards out.
Wow, that actually went where I aimed.
Looks to have
Get.
chosen the 7-iron.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Yeah, that was a safe play.
Hey, we're not
19
out of
feet
this
to the
yet.
hole.
Okay, birdie putt. Birdie putt
Hey,
right
see the
here.
break on this putt.
Just a smidgen to the right, this one.
This thing is gonna break both ways. You know, I think we need to be right here.
Well, this looks pretty handy. You've
Oh,
gotta like the look of
get in the
this.
hole.
That's one of those putts that you're proud of, even if it doesn't drop.
Oh, that
And
was
just
so
a little bit of
close.
cleanup work remaining on this hole. Some lovely momentum for this
Market
player.
is just
Moving up the
continuing
leaderboard.
to bleed lower. We're actually all the way down to the 365s. We're about to test the VWAP. Man, I'm so glad I'm playing this game, even though it's the stupidest game. Okay, can we actually hit it where we're aiming at? That would be great. Oh,
With
sit.
the 7.
No!
This
No,
one's
we're in
left of
this.
the green.
Okay, not the best result, but a chance to get up and down. Found the green side bunker. Looking for an up and down here.
Impossible. It's impossible to stop this shot. Like. Oh, now we're gonna. Go in!
Ooh, that almost went down.
All right, all right.
This one for
Now we need to
bogey.
make this putt for bogey, and we'll be fine.
Sitting at 2 over for the event.
Okay, we're 2 over. We're okay. We just
Teeing
need to
off
put
here,
together
number 4.
some nice holes here. And we duck hook it to the left. Nice.
Time to take on this shot.
That's all
from
right.
the
We got
rough.
options.
He's going to have to go down after this one, try and dig it out as best he can, and hope for the best.
Ooh, this could be good. This could be good. Oh!
Well, that'll be one of the shots of the day, that's for sure.
Okay, okay. We
Andy,
got a birdie
What's he
putt.
looking at with this putt?
This
Setting
is
up
gonna
putt
break right to
15
left.
feet from the cup.
It's downhill.
Putt coming up is for birdie.
Oh, we gotta make this.
This is a good chance.
Yes!
Always good to lead the bounce back category.
Let's go.
That's a good stat.
Woo! Oh, look at that rip off the VWAP. Ooh, okay. I'm out. I'm out on the...
Now on the tee after a birdie. Fired up
Look at
and
that
ready for
rip.
more.
Wow. Is Trump still talking? Man, oh man, I don't want to chase this, but oh, wow. Man, is Trump's... That's crazy. What a crazy rip here. I don't know what to do here. I don't... I don't really want to chase it. Man, what a move. You know what? We're going to wait. We're going to be patient. All right, back to golf. Stay out of the sand.
This one heading into the sand.
Never mind. Go ahead.
Sitting
Go in the
adds one
sand.
over.
And that one's way right.
Yeah, his golf ball
Oh, I
is
got luck.
sailing
Oh,
right in
let's
this one.
go.
And
What
that's
a
safe on the
shot.
surface,
What
but
a
still some
shot.
work left with the putter.
We got a birdie
Just down
putt
there.
here.
You got a read?
There's a slope here.
I think
and it's
this is
going to
pretty
go right
much
to left
a
on
little
the
bit
slope.
left, right to left. Controller, hello. Get in the hole.
Get in the hole.
Oh.
Just missing the birdie there.
Oh,
Just a short putt remaining here.
unfortunate.
Trailing by
Man,
a
this
few
market.
shots after that hole.
Wow.
As we move to the 6th hole, it's a par 4.
Stay out of the trees. Yes. Good
That's
shot.
a high caliber shot.
Okay, okay, we take that. Sit.
Yes, anytime you can find the green and have a putt, you'll take it.
Okay, birdie putt
Now
again.
this to
Now we
leave him a
just
tie
need to
for
get
third
this
place.
trickled down there. Don't want to leave it long. This one might be short, but I'm okay with that.
This one might need to curl a long way back from the left.
Oh! Oh, that was so close. That was so close.
Putting for par.
Oh,
Down she
man.
goes. Let's head to the next.
Okay.
Our current leader is enjoying a one-shot lead. They've now arrived at the par 4 7th. And after a par
Get
at the last,
down.
a chance to perhaps signal some intent.
We're in the
Not
fairway.
bad. And he's down there.
Now he's eyeing up around 160 here.
Should be on the green.
This needs just a little work to the left-hand side.
All right, we can handle
Down on the
this.
ground, John McCarthy has been giving us some great reads all day. What's this one doing, mate?
Not a very easy one here. It's moving to the left on its way down the
Get in
hill.
the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole.
It's here.
Let's
This
go.
one will make it all the way to the hole.
That was a sick putt.
Yes.
Watch this replay. Ooh. Oh, that was beautiful.
Now this is how you putt. Take
Oh,
another
yeah,
look at
we
this.
like that.
And that will take
And
him
guess
down to
what?
an
We are
even
even
par.
par.
Always
No
like to see
blow-ups.
your name
No
moving up
blow-up
the
holes,
leaderboard. Never a
please.
bad thing.
Now on the tee, fresh off a birdie, a great opportunity to build on that momentum.
Oh, that's going to be a problem. That's
With the
going to
5
be
wood.
short-sighted.
For his second shot.
Oh,
2
come
strokes off
on.
the lead. Oh, this
Oh!
one's brilliant.
Did you see that? Oh!
Lovely
Oh,
shot.
did you
Oh,
see that?
there he goes, marching to the
He
top of the lead.
made it! Oh, snap! What a shot!
Perfect distance.
Oh!
Perfectly judged, and look at that.
Clip
Straight
it,
to the hole.
boys!
Trailing by a stroke after that hole.
Let's go, Alpine! You get your controller ready.
The
Oh
number-
man, that was a sick shot. Don't watch back. Don't watch back more than 5 minutes of this game, though, Alpine, please. Uh-oh. This is a duck hook, but we might be okay. This might be okay. Ah, we're fine. Okay.
And just in the first cut here.
All right. All right. Nobody hurt. Okay, this one should be good. And we're in the sand.
Never easy
Come
playing out of
on.
those fairway bunkers.
And we got tree trouble. You gotta be kidding me. Oh. I don't even know how we're gonna hit this. Through the trees and into the...
It's
Okay.
disappointing from one bunker to the next.
This is not ideal. We cannot afford to have a blow up hole here. Please, no. Just go on the green somewhere. Oh,
Got a little out of control, I think.
Oh, look at that.
okay,
The
we
wind
can
just
get
wreaking
this one
havoc with
close,
that
I
shot.
feel like.
Disappointing.
Good putters
Okay,
will
this
make
is for
these.
bogey.
Right
That's
on
not
5 feet.
terrible.
Try and keep that scorecard a little less dirty.
Okay,
This is for
that
bogey.
was like about as
Finds
good as we
himself
can
in a sheer
probably
third
expect
place.
off of that.
Moving
So,
down the leaderboard, Luke, never a good thing.
uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. We
Even
might be
for the
okay.
day.
Yeah, we're okay.
Club face may have got caught up in the
This
rough here.
stupid game.
This shot now being
I'm not
played for the
joking.
fairway
This game
bogey.
is so dumb sometimes. Just realized I should move this. Like, that is not where I aimed my controller at. What? Whatever. That's not where I aimed either.
It's a tad wayward. Not quite finding the surface.
Yeah, wind took
We're
that
falling
one off
apart
on
here,
a
boys.
very-
Ooh, a 12-footer.
We got to make this for bogey.
Short game has been absolutely fantastic today.
Penny, take us through the break on this putt.
Oh, that's a
This
that's
putt's
a
going to
bad
come
putt.
in from the left side.
That's a
A
bad
rush of
putt.
blood. Right on 4 feet. Should make this one. And that will drop him to 2 over now for the tournament.
Now we're 2 over.
A chance here to erase the double.
We
of the
need
last.
a
Focus on
birdie.
hitting a great tee shot. Yeah, that one will play.
Market is not
Second
doing
shot,
much.
you're
We
on the
kind of
11.
had a spike and now we're just... Okay, this is going to be a very important shot. Oh, that's going to need to get down.
Sadly, in the sand,
Okay, that was
chance
actually
to make up for the
okay.
error.
We need to land it like right here. See it.
Oh, that was a
Oh, that
beauty.
was perfect.
Putting for birdie here.
Birdie putt should be...
And the putt goes down.
All right,
Most
all right,
well
we're back.
results in the end.
That'll way to grind it out in the bunker, but up and down for the birdie. Nicely done.
That one might be in the bunker. No,
Sitting at +1.
that was too close to the water. Okay, here we go. Bad shot.
That swing didn't deserve a good reward. This should head into the rough. This would be a great up and down.
See it! Are you...
And a par putt awaits him.
We need to make this putt for par. Gotta make it.
Starts off looking good.
That's well judged. Good speed, good line. This one's for bogey. Okay, let's head to the next.
All right, we need to get it together here, boys. Gotta get it together.
3 strokes back after that hole. It's time to take a look at this 13th hole. Looks to have chosen the 7-iron.
All right, we're on the green, I guess.
Anything in 5 feet to be handy from here.
And
John, have you got a read on this one? What's it going to do?
This one's going to go pretty hard to the left.
oh, that was a good putt.
And here we are with the 3rd shot.
Now we
Just
gotta
3
chip this
back
in.
from the leader.
Gotta put it in.
This next putt is for bogey. And down it goes. Let's head to the next.
2 bogeys in a row. Never a good sign. Now playing a little
You hate to
defensively.
see it. All right, we are falling apart here.
Could not be more perfect.
Like that. Okay, I like it. Sit.
Well, a little off the target with that one.
Gotta
All right,
believe the wind
got it.
affected the golf ball there.
Chip it in.
Good opportunity here, just 6 feet.
You got to
to
make
roll.
this. And we missed
That's
it.
disappointing.
Oh, we're falling and
So no,
totally
heat cut coming
losing
up.
it.
Currently at 4 over for the day.
Not much happening. Moving down the leaderboard, never a good sign.
All right, this market, I don't know. I'm glad I'm not trading this.
Not too sure that was, but that
Looks like
doesn't
we're
even come
experiencing
close to
again
resembling
some
an
glitch
upswing.
with the controller. Some controller glitches
Unfortunately,
happening
on the bogey
again.
Train. That's 4 in a row. Let's get off at this stop, shall we? No, that's not good. Straight into the trees. Oh, that's Oscar Bravo. I can hear the crunching of the pine straw underneath the players' feet here.
Very weird controller glitch happening here. All right, back to trading. Back to trading. Technically, could have taken a long right there. You know what? We are actually going to switch to our next group of trading here on Apex. I'm taking my like away. I was here for golf. Well, the weird thing, Alpine, the controller glitches. It's unfortunate. It's like some reason the controller glitches and just kind of puts in these random swing patterns, and the ball just goes all the way over the I can't help, and it's nothing I can do to help. So just have to keep restarting until it goes a full round without doing it. Which just doesn't seem like it's gonna be the day. So maybe tomorrow we'll get that glitch figured out. Ah. Hey, Sharu's in the building. Good morning. Good afternoon. Market was crazy today. It was. We did okay though. We survived. Oh man. You know what I should do? I actually should just how cold is it? I should go mow the lawn. And I could have taken along there, I guess. How big was this? We had a pullback from the 470s, over 100 points. Wow. So many accounts got blown in the upward grind. I mean, probably that was a crazy grind higher. That was crazy. No relief for anyone that was continuing to short on that move higher. And do I take?
Order submitted.
That was, sorry. Forgot to turn off my sound. That was, I'm gonna take that. Have my stop right here below these lows. This is more of a breakout trade. But just want to see this breakout right here. Come on. Pop it. Come on, rip it. Big rip here. Come on. Gotta go right here. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Uh-oh. I don't like that. That little wick. Today's goal is to close the monthly candle clean. I didn't even think about the week. I mean, I was looking at the weekly candle. Look at the weekly chart. This looks wild. Weekly candle is like, these moves are just so crazy. All right, market. I'm starting to not like this. It should have already gone. Should have broken out by now. If we pull back, as long as we don't make new lows here, we get another entry off the EMA here, I might add. Or we just get stopped out right here. This is going to be a big pullback. Probably should just walk away. Probably shouldn't have taken the one more trade. Is it me or does April feel super long, like a super long month? I actually kind of agree with you, Amelia Stitcher. Like, it seems like it's now been a month since we've been in Ohio. And it's weird, but it seems like we've been back in Ohio for like 2-3 months. Weird. Seems like we've been back for a while. Or at least longer than a month. All right, we're trying to gain some support, trying to bounce off of this EMA. Might add here. I don't want to add right here, but I like the trade here. I think if we get above the 440s, we're gonna go test the 460. Let's see if it can go now. Can she go? See a breakout right here above the 440s. Go, baby. That's it. Go. Now rip it. Rip it. Keep going. That's good. You're doing great. You're doing great. We're almost there. Keep going. Don't hesitate now. We're doing so good. We're doing so good. There you go. Keep going. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Push. Oh, gee. Oh, just go. Go. Come on, market. Don't be difficult. Don't be difficult. Push. Come on. And come on, market. Just. All right, it's fine. We're gonna just be chilling here. Looks like it wants to be difficult. And we keep going. Oh dear. Oh, this is painful. Are you serious? What are we doing, market? What are we doing? Come on. Come on. This is why I just stopped trading for the day in the afternoons. Man. We just couldn't go up and retest that 460 level. It was just too much to ask. Very rude. Right, we're gonna see. I mean, I'm gonna add right here. We get stopped here. We get stopped. That big of a deal, but if we rip here, we'll get. This thing feels heavy now. Feel like we're gonna go retest maybe the VWAP, I guess. We're getting stopped here. Yeah. How did that? Wow. We're not gonna do this, are we? We're not gonna do this, are we? Please go lower. Please go lower. Thank you. All right, now I can end stream and be fine. I don't know. That's unfortunate, I guess. Whatever. Whatever, man. I thought that was thought that was pretty safe to hold. I usually, I don't know. I guess it is what it is. It just didn't do it. We just immediately rip from the 450s. Nothing like a 60-point rip lower. Whatever, market. I'm over it. JL, no, I did not. All right, I'm out of here. I'm going to go mow the lawn. And we'll be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Hope you guys have a great green day. And we'll be, hope to see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care and God bless.